Welcome to Boldak e-learning. In today's short video, we will learn how to compare multiple quotations from multiple suppliers and find the lowest bidders for each item. We will do that using the conditional formatting. So first of all, we will select all our data where we want to highlight the lowest bidder. Then we will go to conditional formatting, create a new rule, and then we will go to use a formula. So how are we going to find the lowest bidder? We will simply compare each value to the minimum of this row. So for example, we will start with the first supplier for the first item and we will compare the $100 to the minimum of these three values. Okay, so to do that, we will use the minimum formula. So first of all, we will start with the equal sign and then the first cell, which is C2, and then it is equal to minimum, right? We said we will use the minimum function, and then I want the minimum of the C, D, and E columns of each row, right? So I will fix the C column, C2, until fix E column, E2, close parentheses. Let's choose our formatting. So let's say that I want to highlight the minimum value with a green fill, and then OK, and then OK, and there we go. So as you can see over here, we have supplier 3 highlighted, which is $92 for the nails. We have in the second item, all of the supplier gave us the same price, so all of them will be selected. And the third item, for example, the clips, we have the first supplier who gave us the lowest bid, and so on. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or concerns, please put them in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you and take care.